So guys, in this video we will see types of machine learning. So we have three types of machine learning. So first is supervised. So what is the happens? Okay, in terms of machines, like it learns it from the data which we provide. It means somebody there to feed it. Like in simple example, when we were kid, we went to the school process, right? In that one, somebody told us like 1 plus 1 equal to 2. When we add 1 into 1, it becomes 2, right? Suppose also let's take another example. If you work for 1 day, okay, then you will get $1. If you work for 2 day, then you will get 1 plus 1 equal to $2. That is what we learned it in our school. So somebody supervised it. Similarly, when our model means algorithm will become some model, right? And here we will insert some data, training data. On the basis of this data, our model will learn, and this algorithm will learn and prepare one model. Next we have unsupervised. So what happened? This is the process where model trained using an information which is not labeled. Means we are not labeling that data. Okay, this is the plus, minus, or something. The best example of this is, see, you learned it from yourself. Okay, so you work for 1 day. For example, similar example, you get $1. Okay, next you went for second day. Okay, this is the second day. Then you got $1 more. Okay, but when you came home, you have $2. Okay, then what came in your mind? Okay, that when we add 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Here nobody teaches. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, but what we learned it from the outcome. Okay, we work for 2 days, we have 2, that means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this is how we learned it from ourselves. Similarly, in this model, we will not provide any training data. We will just provide the data. On the basis of this data, it will categorize like this type of data will come under class A, another type of data will come under class B. So this is how this machine model learned. Next we have enforcement model. So this is the third type of machine learning. In this case, what happened? It is normally a trial and error method. This type of model follow the trial and error methods, like in robotics, if we say, or we can say the self-driving cars. These learned it from their trial and error method. Means if they suppose, for example of robotic, it is walking. Okay, when he found some obstacle, either it will hit or either it will move. If it will hit, it will get punishment. Okay, if it will move or turn, it will get the reward. On the basis of their trial and error method, they will get some outcome. On the basis of their outcome, our model will learn. So in this case, what happened? They will use the space, or we can say interacting with the environment, they will learn it. So this is what we have in this model. So if we talk about machine learning type, we have three. One is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.